I think this is an excellent university and really a very good learning environment for the students. And I think that Al-Farabi University looks very much into the future to have this very innovative and good learning program for hydrology implemented. I would be very happy to be here as a guest lecturer. No, it's my second visit actually. In October last year I also visited Al-Farabi University. What I admire a lot about your education program is that you are linked very closely to the employers. So you know very well how to train your students that they find after study course an employment in the sectors of hydrology and water resources management. That's very well organized and very different to what's done in my country. Yeah, I think in Germany we have a lot of interdisciplinary research. So we teach hydrology, but we also teach hydrobiology, or the link to meteorology, or the link to land use and climate change. So we teach a lot also on the interfaces to other disciplines. I think you have a unique environment here and also unique hydrological problems. So we are very happy to come and to share your research and to see how you handle these dramatic problems. It's a huge task, and it's also a huge demand on future generations to find a sustainable way to manage water as we are becoming more and more people and the water gets more and more polluted. So this is really a responsibility for our generation to the next. Why I am a hydrologist? I'm very passionate about water. And I think that it's our gift to the next generation to have clean water and enough water for everybody and also for nature. So I'm deeply convinced of protecting water. I think they should tackle the challenges of climate change and land use change, which is pressuring water resources all over the place. And become international exchange ideas with other hydrologies worldwide. It's really very, very beautiful, and I think it's a great opportunity for the students here to interact with the teachers and to learn and study in a very concentrated way.